If you suffer from joint pain in your knees, hips, wrists, elbows, shoulders, or even your jaw, it could be a sign of joint damage. The joints in your body are made up of connective tissues like ligaments, tendons, and cartilage, which allow them to move and bend smoothly. But sometimes these tissues can become damaged or wear away, leading to stiffness and a dull, aching sensation, often felt in areas like the spine, hands, and wrists. Joint degeneration is incredibly common, with over 1 in 4 adults experiencing some form of arthritis or joint pain. Fortunately, there are natural vitamins you can take to help relieve joint pain and even repair damaged joint tissues. In this video, I'll use the word vitamins broadly to include minerals, enzymes, and natural remedies that can make a real difference. Stick around because I'll also share some foods you should avoid, foods that might be worsening your joint pain. One of the most inexpensive yet powerful remedy for joint pain is boron. Boron is a trace mineral that has been shown to reduce joint pain in 70% of people who take it at a dosage of just 6 milligrams per day. It works by helping your body produce anti-inflammatory hormones like cortisol, which naturally reduce inflammation and swelling in your joints. You can also increase your boron intake by eating foods like avocados, which are a great natural source. Additionally, boron helps your bones absorb more calcium than magnesium, making them stronger and more resilient. The second remedy for joint pain is turmeric. Whether you're dealing with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or any other degenerative joint disease, turmeric can be a game changer. This powerful spice contains an active ingredient called curcumin, which helps to lower inflammation and reduce swelling in the connective tissues of your joints. You can take up to 2,000 milligrams of turmeric daily to experience its benefits. Known as a natural painkiller, turmeric is effective, widely available, and relatively inexpensive. The third remedy for joint pain is fish oil, which helps lubricate the joints. For over 200 years, people have been using cod liver oil to reduce pain and swelling in the joints. Taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of virgin cod liver oil daily supports the healthy synovial fluid that cushions and lubricates your joints. Fish oils are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help regulate inflammation and prevent your immune system from attacking the tissues in your joints. Arctic krill oil is another excellent option, especially for reducing knee pain and stiffness. Alternatively, you can increase your seafood intake by eating salmon, sardines, mackerel, and shellfish. If you're finding this information useful, please tap like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to stay updated with more health and nutrition tips. Now, let's dive back in with 2 extremely important nutrients for joint health, vitamin D and vitamin K2. First, vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is actually a hormone that your body produces when your skin is exposed to sunlight and UV rays. It's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients for reducing joint pain, especially in the spine and lower back. Unfortunately, billions of people worldwide are deficient in vitamin D, which weakens the joints and makes bones more prone to breaking, fracturing, and bending. On the other hand, vitamin K2 works hand in hand with vitamin D to support strong, healthy bones and joints. If you're experiencing bone-on-bone rubbing, spurs, or damaged cartilage, you may have calcium deposits building up around your joints, causing stiffness and pain. Vitamin K2 helps remove this excess calcium from your joints and redirects it back into your bones, where it belongs. For optimal benefits, you can take a daily supplement of 20,000 international units of vitamin D3 along with 200 micrograms of vitamin K2. And remember, there's a lot of helpful information in this video, so feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes if needed. Coming back now to number 5, we have vitamin C. The tendons, ligaments, and cartilage in your joints are all held together by collagen, which is the structural protein that keeps your joints strong and healthy. As we age, we naturally lose collagen and our bodies become more fragile. However, maintaining high levels of vitamin C helps your body continue to produce healthy collagen, supporting not just your joints, but also younger-looking skin and smoother arteries. Some excellent sources of vitamin C include bell peppers, sauerkraut, berries, raw leafy green vegetables, and citrus fruits. If you decide to take a supplement, be sure to avoid synthetic ascorbic acid supplements. Instead, opt for the full vitamin C complex found in whole fruit powders, such as acerola cherry, camu camu, or rose hips. Now let's talk about collagen itself. As I mentioned earlier, vitamin C helps your body build collagen to strengthen your joints. But the raw material for collagen actually comes from amino acids, which are found in animal-based foods like eggs, beef, fish, and shellfish. To boost your collagen intake, I recommend consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of bone broth powder daily. You can easily mix it into a glass of water, blend it into a smoothie, add it to soup, or stir it into a stir-fry. Chicken or fish bone broth is particularly effective at boosting collagen in your joints, helping to repair and strengthen them. And a side note, if you have any digestive issues, I suggest taking apple cider vinegar capsules before each meal. This can help your stomach absorb more collagen and amino acids, improving the benefits. Next up is number 7, potassium. If you suffer from rheumatoid arthritis, your immune system is attacking your joints, leading to severe pain and inflammation. Potassium plays a crucial role in helping your body produce cortisol, an anti-inflammatory steroid hormone that can help ease joint pain. To reap the benefits, aim to consume at least 4,700 to 6,000 milligrams of potassium each day. You can get this from foods like leafy green vegetables, and you may also want to consider supplementing with potassium citrate. Potassium also helps the body release excess water weight and reduce swelling, which can take pressure off your joints and provide some relief. The last supplement on my list today is colostrum. One more amazing remedy for relieving joint pain is taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of colostrum powder daily from grass-fed cows. Colostrum is a nutrient-dense liquid produced in the first few days after mammals give birth, and it's packed with benefits. Taking colostrum boosts IGF, which is insulin-like growth factor, a hormone that helps your body remodel, rebuild, and repair cartilage and connective tissues in your joints. So consider trying a combination of these natural remedies to see which works best for you. Remember, everyone's biochemistry is unique, so you may need to take a trial and error approach to find what helps improve your health. And don't forget, supplements are not a magic pill. For true healing, it's essential to also correct your diet and lifestyle by eating whole, nutritious foods to support joint health. Thanks so much for watching my video for today. I really appreciate you. The deal is not done until your health is completely in its best version. Please subscribe to stay updated. I wish you a great health and wealth.